Nakat na ko ang video because na this is the video the one the bacon kicked me or flinged me. So wala sa ko introduce ari, so it's me very cat or it's very cat and it's very cat lagi ani nga ang goal ani is makadaog ra. So thank you for your time and listening to my one. Thank you. Bacon, remember na bacon na nagawa siya script or hacks like Delta na nagawa siya tong fee drop kick. Yeah, I just saw in my kita ko sa I think I saw that on my TikTok FYP. Yeah, I just saw it. Do I need to introduce my name again or my nickname again? So, oh my god, nag-share fasad ko. This is so easy. Char. Nako sa kung kadhan na rin ako pero nakik lang sa ko place walay hacker. Okay, this is it's very cut. My goal is hindi na ko ma-repeat. Nalagyan ko na ko sa first video, first clip. Peace. Should I cut those? Because that's too embarrassed. I'm too focused to the volume no. I'm gonna get my revenge. Revenge. So spectate lang. While spectating, let's destroy them. Di na to ikon. Yes, my favorite pose. Oh shit. Spectate. Asa ni siya gaigo? Girl left. Kilid, uy. Wait, kilid ba? Oh, sukat na mo. Go! How did you just miss that? Oh my god. I think I have a new rival here. Try mag-rival ko dito. No, I want peace. Peace. Cause, peace lang. Shala designer. Char. Ew, I don't like those. Char, I respect bacons by the way, but those Pick Me and Sanders. No, I'm not a child anymore. Mura siya with ladies in. Look, white hair white hair. White siya tanan niya. Niya black hair. That's so scary. Look, nakuha na ako innocent ka sa pagkamatay na Shebas. You know what Shebas? Shebalan? Basta Korean lang ko dira. Who just want to trade me? No, I don't want to. I don't want to trade because it's blocking my screen. And please stay away from me. I just want to get the gun. Okay, my goal. I just want one gun or two gun. Nangayan na ba? Oh, I know. Yeah, I know. Hey. I like this game. Peace. Dude, that's embarrassing. You know. Oh my god. Thank you. I don't want to wait just to spectating. Wait. Okay ba English na ko pero di ko mo pronounce. Okay ba ko mo speak. I don't know how to. Basta. Just respect me. Char. Di ko pick me, ha. Di pa yan white lady, or... Man, di man yung Cinderella girl. Pero mga balay pa lang na mura na siya granny. I found a glitch from granny because more good shit. And remember, mag Q&A ko o matag mo ako og challenges. And those challenges, I'm gonna do it. Yes, this, rather, easy. Who's next? Ni mo dagan ka. Diba ako ni Mari para magkuha sa gun? Headshot. Shit. Shit, you kanang girl, you just emoting me. Where's that girl? Hey, hey, cheese head. Oh my god, our cheese hair. Do you just put a mac and cheese in your head? B. Ikaw yan there. Who's that? Oh my god. Two besties. Oh my shit, Bellas. So I'm just... Naghan ko ako sheriff na. Kaduhan ako na shit na low skip ang ko. Don't you dare touch me. Bitch, kita ko ato. Bro, kita ibigan lagi ko ato. Dang, pro ko lagi kita siya, oh my god. Yeah, that's what I thought. Flame man to yan, no? Flame. Alright. Is KBD6709. Kid. iPad Kid. Wait, chata na ako. I'm trying ko ba sa mga nila pero na ko yung mga kaban-kaban mag-vlog or pan. Please, wala hashtag. Please, na hashtag dito siya. Shy boy man to siya, shy boy. Shy boy daw. No, don't touch me. How a lesbian or... I know you're murderer. Boy, the shy boy. What? Udah green man to. Bro, these girls must be hacking. Cat lover forever. Yes, mong akong very cat is na C80 because I love cat. Okay, my favorite animal by the way, and my favorite color is purple. If you don't ask, I don't care. Sure. Of course, I respect my viewers or my amot lang. Wala na bisama daw. Kanya, kanay si kinsa to kutom nay payong paay payong di si kagura kan siya si Herrera obsessed. Oh my god, it's already 10 minutes and I'm at 30%. I'm get girl stop. Don't you dare come on me. Oh good. So straight ka na ko, I know murder ka. Okay. Oh shit. Hala siya naging knife user siya. Oh my god. Buto naman 15 minutes nga kung goal wala pa siya. I think magkuha ko one murder win one. Yes, because oh my god. Char. Buri nga oy. Maria Clara. Ay, dili Maria Clara. Ay, respect nationalism. Nationalism. Maria Lizda. He's an Liz die. Char. 3-2. Magiging na sa 6-7 pero itong skibidi si blah blah. Namatay sa si Slenderina guys. Ito siyang ay. Napiyong siya guys. Antog siya. Antog. I'm gonna sit down here while I'm spectating those bees. Those like oh my fallen sila guys. Bacon and I respect them. I'm just shipping them. Ship Titanic char. Girl, dugayan nyo eh. 2 minutes na akong video guys. Hi. I think I'll let you vote my next gameplay or you'll request kami mo request og mga horror games and I'm gonna play it with your challenges. Diba? Challenges. What's the mga British sims? Oh my god, wala nang nabuhi. Am I going to die? No. Bro, girl, you need to... What, silence na ito ka dito? Bro, he's stuck to the door. Oh, ang timer na done. I think last... Di last kanon kita ko kanang sanay. This kangaroo. Oh my god, kangaroo cute siya dahil cute siya. Ay, pag yung locust. Nampuy ba sa oh. Am I logging on this page? This Slenderina is flying. Please give me just to win. Ganun how win sin. I think kuan ko magka sini eh. I think this my first challenge is ma-fail siya. Kaso ganyan ko na nasig kamatay tungod. I hope this is this chance. Oh shit. But he just died. So guys, see you in my next vid. I'm gonna end this because I fail to shoot the murderer 2 times because I got sheriff 2 times. So see you in my next vid. Bye. And I'm like work it out.